Good day, my name is Marcus. I'm from Mandai Parks Developments. I'm here seeking a solution, not to prevent drunk driving or drunk drinking like the title says, drink responsibly. Neither am I trying to find a way to finish all the drink in a cup. But how can we have a drink without using a single disposable cup? Drink responsibly without waste. First, a little about ourselves. At Mandai, our mission is to provide meaningful and memorable wildlife experiences for our guests, and we have a focus to protect biodiversity in Singapore and the region. You probably know us better by our 4 parks: Jurong Pearl Park, Night Safari, River Safari, and the Singapore Zoo. Our 4 parks has a living collection of over 1,000 species, of which 25% are threatened, and that's the role in conservation that we play. More relevant to our pitch today is that more than 5 million visitors visit our parks every year. Therefore, as Mandai grows in future, there will be even more visitors for us to implement this solution. Last but not least, we also play a leadership role in the World Association of Zoos and Aquariums. Therefore, any sustainability practices can be shared in the wider world. And what is Mandai going to be like in the future? Well, we have 4 parks right now, and next time we'll have 5. And just in case there's bad weather, there will also be a nature-themed indoor attractions, so that visitors have somewhere to go in case it rains. With so many parks to visit in a single day, there will also be an eco-resort, so that visitors can choose to stay one night. Last but not least, there will be public spaces, so that everyone can enjoy a little bit of nature and Mandai without paying a ticket. Here at Mandai, we are guided very much by our environmental sustainability strategy with 4 pillars. What we are trying to do today belongs to the first pillar of resource optimization, where we are trying to reduce waste. And that is something that we have been trying to do over a long time. The challenge today: drink responsibly without waste. We are seeking a solution for a water dispenser that gives out a reusable cup and a reusable cup reverse vending machine. As I mentioned, we have been on this path for a long time. Since 2016, we stopped the sales of plastic bottled water. We provided alternatives such as carton water as well as aluminum cans. We also installed many water dispensers throughout the parks, so that visitors can simply refill their water bottle. But still, should they still forget, we also sell reusable water bottles in our park. Today, the challenge is to find an even more sustainable option for those who did not remember to bring along a water bottle. Not only that, many times our guests love to hold a drink in their hands as they tour around our parks. That is despite the fact that we already use reusable options for dining in many situations. As a result of this, we often still use disposable cups of various sizes and forms, over 115,000 per month across our 4 parks. In those scenarios that we do so, we often provide biodegradable options, like the one you see, the carton water, or the PLA cups. But we know that biodegradable options are less relevant in Singapore, where general waste is incinerated. Therefore, today, our desired outcomes from this challenge is that we're looking for a solution that, 1, dispense water or flavored drinks in a reusable cup, and a reusable cup reverse vending machine. The whole intent is to reduce the amount of waste generated. Out of the 2 functions, this reusable cup reverse vending machine function will take priority, because we can always sell our drinks from our F&B food kiosks using the reusable cups, and visitors can simply return them after that. What are some of the requirements of these machines that we're looking at? Number 1, it should of course be roughly the size of a typical vending machine. It also should be a little bit weather resistant, because many of the areas where they will be located will have overhead shelters but not side shelters. We will also very much would like that the machine be able to hold or process about 3,600 cups across a month, with the ability to hold 2 to 3 days worth of cups. Last but not least, while we are trying to reduce waste on one hand, we should not be wasting electricity on the other. Therefore, this vending machine should have other functions that probably shut down lights or non-essential functions during closing hours. Some other requirements: given the park is now fully Wi-Fi connected, we would expect this machine to have push notifications to inform us when it is faulty or when cups are running low, for example. But perhaps out of all, the more important thing is this: how to design this cup or reverse vending machine that is easy for visitors to use. Number one, this is important because 50% of visitors are foreigners. They're visiting our parks and using this machine for the first time. Number two, English may not be their first language. That's on the user experience. On the other hand as well, we will want to design this such that the cups are probably returned either upside down or sideways, so that any contents inside are definitely emptied. Like this, we can then store these cups in this machine across 2 to 3 days. Some other requirements around payments: of course, we would like, if it's possible, to have a variety of payments. But more importantly, we expect that the visitor should not only pay for the beverage, but also a cup deposit. Hence, with the beverage price and a cup deposit, the visitor will be incentivized to return this deposit, to return the cup and get the deposit. And now let's move on to the cup itself. We are looking at a variety of cup sizes, from the smaller ones for coffee cups, medium for drinks, and large one for slushies. Remember, we are trying to tackle waste here, therefore the cups must be many times reusable, at least 100 times, preferably much more. Therefore, they should be dishwasher washable, very easy to clean. We're also looking forward that the cups will have unique identification code, such as QR code, for two reasons. One, only these specific cups can be returned for deposit and not any other cups. Number two, maybe we can collect some data to find out which sizes of the cups are the most popular ones. We would also very much like that the cups themselves are attractively designed. In this way, users will have an incentive to even bring these cups back as souvenir and forfeit that deposit. Why is Mandai a suitable place to implement these machines? Because we are an attraction with a controlled entry and exit. With only one exit point, for example, for the zoo, we can place a reverse vending machine there for the cups, and you visitors will definitely pass by. And we see that we are not the only place where such machines can be implemented. It can also be used in other attractions, in hotels, or even shopping malls with a limited number of exits. With that, I look forward to your proposal, and please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much for your attention. Drink responsibly, without waste.
Thank you, Marcus, for that presentation. Right now, we're going to pose you a few questions that we've received on our Pigeonhole platform. The first question that we'd like to pose to you: would the solution provider be responsible in ensuring the reusable cups to be cleaned and disinfected with proper measures?
Thank you so much, David, Sim, for the question. We are open to both options. We have our own dishwashing facilities. Hence, we are open to washing ourselves, or even just for the prototype period, we're open to the vendors suggesting and quoting a price for the washing. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for that. Next question. How do you expect that the reusable cup be handled at its end of life?
Well, I think we have given plastic a bad name, but actually choosing the right type of plastics also means that it probably will also be able to be recycled at the end. Hence, we are looking at the reusable cups to be properly recycled at the end, and we do have the recycling collection facilities in Mandai as well.
Okay. Thank you for those very clear and concise answers to the queries that we received on our Pigeonhole. So thank you very much, Marcus Tay from Mandai Park Development. Thank you for your presentation.
Thank you so much.